Hey, Adam here with Simple and Fast review of the Golpart rolling clothes rack. We're going to open it up, put it together, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. And so once you get it out of the box, it's going to look something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and start to assemble, and we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, so I'm going to cover a couple points. First of all, you can adjust this height to be wherever you want. In the instructions, it kind of takes it all the way to the top. I'm going to be using this to kind of put stuff on top. So just understand that it's adjustable. That way you can utilize this if you have a low ceiling like I do. I also want to point out that this hanger is adjustable. So, and what I mean by that is you can slide this forward and back depending on where you want to hang things and what kind of setup you have. And while we're down here, I just want to show that this thing slides in and out as we kind of show you, so you can kind of pull things out to dry them and everything like that. Plenty of space in the bag. Again, you've got stuff on the bottom. So overall, a really nice kind of drying rack. Gives you a lot to work with, and again, totally adjustable. So hopefully this review helped. Definitely worth buying, and thanks for watching.